Okay, this is a CV shaft. This is what connects the transmission to the drive hubs on most every front-wheel drive car and even some four-wheel drive trucks, namely Chevy. The CV joint is different than a universal joint. And now usually what goes bad is the boot tears like this, and then dirt and water get into here and wreck the bearings, because there's kind of a three-sided spider here, and it's got these needle bearings and rollers in here, and they fit into this three-sided socket. And now this is not the same as a U-joint, it's a CV joint, constant velocity, because a U-joint, like on this truck for example, on the drive shaft there, that's a U-joint. That's got four sides to it, and that does not produce a constant velocity like this does. If you've ever noticed with a four-wheel drive truck like this, when you have it in four-wheel drive and you steer the steering wheel, they kind of want to shimmy. That's because that does not produce a constant velocity at the tire, whereas this does. So that's the difference between a CV shaft and a U-joint and what's inside of a CV shaft.